Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. This video will be a step-by-step tutorial on how to get started with Tripadvisor affiliate program. If you're looking to get started with making money online from home, then this video is right for you. Tripadvisor is a major player in the travel industry and they offer an attractive affiliate program with up to 50% commission rates. There is a huge potential to earn as a Tripadvisor affiliate if you understand how to leverage this opportunity properly. But first, let's have a quick overview of what Tripadvisor provides. As you may already know, Tripadvisor is the world's largest travel platform. They help consumers plan and book the perfect hotel, vacation rental, restaurant, and other travel experiences. It operates in many markets, it reaches millions and millions of average monthly unique visitors, and it covers over 9 million accommodations, restaurants, and attractions. So what we get from this is that Tripadvisor has absolutely massive reach in the travel industry, and this makes them an incredible appealing partner for affiliates. If you can tap into even a tiny slice of Tripadvisor's huge traffic and send that to booking partners, the earning potential can be huge. Now let's understand exactly how Tripadvisor's affiliate program works so you can properly evaluate the opportunity. Tripadvisor offers one unified program that covers all their sub-brands in one place. This includes Tripadvisor, The Fork, Cruise Critic, Smarter Travel, and many more. As an affiliate, you get access to all these sites to promote. And when users click from your links to Tripadvisor, browse and ultimately book travel on partner sites, you will then be earning commissions. Partners include major brands like Booking.com or Get Your Guide and hundreds more. The standard commission rate is 50% of the revenue generated. That's among the most competitive commission structures out there. Affiliates can also earn on clicks and leads, not just the final bookings. So you basically get 50% commission rate, additional earnings from clicks or leads, 180 day of cookie duration, dedicated affiliate team support, and comprehensive creatives and marketing tools, and on top of all that, monthly payments via Wire, PayPal, or Payoneer. So with these favorable terms, plus Tripadvisor's immense reach, this program offers tremendous potential for affiliates. So especially for publishers already driving interested travel traffic or those able to tap into travel intent audiences at scale, Tripadvisor is a very lucrative opportunity. If you want to become a Tripadvisor affiliate, signing up is simple. Here are the steps. The first one is choosing a network. You first need to join an affiliate network that Tripadvisor partners with. The main one is CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction. Another option can include Impact, Trade Doubler, WebGains, and Affiliate Window. But CJ is definitely the most popular network among Tripadvisor affiliates. So head over to the CJ Affiliate Program sign up, click the sign up button to create your affiliate account, and all you have to do is enter your info to complete the registration form. Next up, once you're signed into the CJ account, click the add/find advertisers and search for Tripadvisor. This will bring up their commerce program. The next step is submitting the affiliate application. Select the Tripadvisor's program and click the Apply Now button. This sends them your application for review. You may need to provide details about your website and prior affiliate experience, so make sure that your site is relevant to attracting potential travelers. And now all you have to do is within a few days, Tripadvisor will review and hopefully approve your application. Once accepted, you gain access to your unique affiliate links to start promoting and earning commissions. As an approved Tripadvisor affiliate, how should you start driving traffic to their sites? Here are some highly effective promotion tactics that you can consider. The most popular one is content marketing. You've got articles and blogs which provide best travel tips, destinations, how to save on travel, and so on. You also have Tripadvisor Reviews, which is a roundup of top-rated hotels or activities in popular destinations. Also, travel guides for cities, countries, regions, etc. include affiliate links to book. And let's not forget about email newsletters, as you can share travel inspiration and deals with the subscribers. Next up, we have social media. You can engage individuals, photos, videos, showcasing the incredible travel experiences with Tripadvisor. Also hashtags, where you can align with trending travel hashtags, like for example Wanderlust. And finally, let's not forget about the paid ads, where you can target interest and intent. So this includes people researching destinations, flights, travel planning, or perhaps to retarget the visitors, you can remarket to people who viewed Tripadvisor pages. And don't forget to take advantage of Tripadvisor's extensive creatives and marketing tools. So the potential options are nearly endless. You can get creative with different platforms and strategies to drive qualified traffic and then test and refine over time. If you want to maximize earnings as a Tripadvisor affiliate, then you should keep these tips in mind to maximize your earnings potential. Focus on high-intent traffic. This includes people ready to book flights, hotels, vacation packages, and so on. Don't just link to Tripadvisor homepages. Drill down to specific hotels, destination guides, and so on, as this could be a much better match intent. Always use compelling offers and incentives. This includes exclusive deals or sales, sweepstakes, etc. Learn to create urgency to book now, such as limited time discounts or flash deals, scarcity tactics. By driving high converting traffic and guiding visitors into taking action, you will maximize the bookings and commissions generated. And finally, one of the best parts of CJ is that they handle paying your Tripadvisor earnings directly to you. Once you've reached the $100 minimum payout threshold, you can easily withdraw your earnings via Wire, PayPal, Payoneer, or check. Usually on the 20th of each month, CJ initiates your payout, so this streamlined process makes getting paid a breeze. All you have to do is focus on driving conversions, and CJ takes care of the commission calculations and payments for you. And this wraps up our guide to getting started as a Tripadvisor affiliate and succeeding. With our unmatched size and influence in the travel industry combined with attractive 50% commission rates, promoting on Tripadvisor offers a huge money-making potential, so make sure to make use of it. Let us know in the comments if you have any other questions at all about the Tripadvisor affiliate program. We're happy to explain everything you need more in detail. So if you found this video to be helpful or enjoyable to watch, let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we create.